Shri Mohammad Najimul Haq.
So thank you, sir. Sir, the recent World Inequality Report 2021 has flagged India as a poor and very unequal country. With the economic downturn engendered by the pandemic making matters worse, India's middle class has shrunk to a frightening extent during the pandemic years. According to a study by Pew Research Center, the figure of its shrinkage is approximately 32 million currently, accounting for 60% decline. Inflation resulting from this economic decline has disproportionately and adversely affected the poor and the middle class. The price of essential food items like tomatoes, milk, edible oils has been going through the roof throughout the last 2 years. Prices of transport, fuels and cooking gas have been exorbitantly high due to the government's unjustified taxation policy. In spite of a fall in global crude oil prices, Indian excise taxes on petrol and diesel were increased. A recent crisis study has shown that food and fuel prices affect the bottom 20% of the population the hardest. An estimated 10 million migrant workers who had come to cities looking for greener pastures have now gone back to farming. So inflation figures have risen from 4.48% in October to 4.91% in November. So in conclusion, sir, I conclude, sir, these figures show that instead of taking an empathetic view of the poor and the middle class, the government has continued with its neoliberal economic policies that have been ruining the lives and the livelihood alike. It is high time that the government realizes its folly and undertakes a much needed course correction. If not, the electoral will.
Right, Najimul.